Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Now this video was taken quickly on the next day of our arrival in Kerala. Hence it's a short vlog. I visited our house construction site, so thought of doing a vlog just to show you all a glimpse of our house. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. Here at home in Kerala, we wake up a bit early to start the day. After the prayers, we get into the kitchen and first thing that we keep is water for boiling. It may be for food preparation or just to make tea. My mother-in-law had already soaked black chana dal in water the previous night. So today's breakfast is rice roti and black chana dal curry. I had posted the same curry last year in one of my Kerala vlogs. You can check over there too to get the recipe in detail. Now on this day, my sister-in-law Shabna was also at home. We jointly prepare food in the kitchen. Hence it's difficult for me to show you each recipe. That's for black tea. I love black tea when I'm in Kerala. We all rarely drink milk tea here. That's the flour for rice roti. As I had said earlier, we all jointly help each other in the kitchen and not one person is having the burden. When I was preparing the curry, Shabna was getting the flour ready for the roti. Roasting coconut for curry. Here mom doesn't grate coconut. She takes out the coconut flesh with knife and add all into a strong blender, and without adding any water just gives 2 or 3 pulses and it becomes this. Now to this adding all the spices. You can even add spices while sauteing the onions, it's up to you. I'll be giving the link to the recipe in the description box, so just click and you can get the recipe in that video. Shabna is preparing the balls for the roti. Shabna's kids had to go to school that day, so here to save time, I added all the vegetables together for sauteing instead of adding each at a time. Once everything is soft and well cooked, add the cooked chana dal along with the water. Before blending, make sure the roasted coconut has cooled down, or else when you blend while still hot, it will burst and spill all over. Now to add thickness to the curry, add some cooked dal to the coconut. It even adds the taste. Usually to get it thick, we normally add cashew nut paste, but you get almost the same taste even while doing this way. Add the blended mix to the curry along with some water according to the thickness you need. Shabna had to move on to make kids ready for school, so I took over for preparing rest of the rice rotis. Let the curry boil well for 3 to 4 minutes. Now if you had not sauteed the onions and had added the vegetables directly while cooking the dal, then after this step of boiling curry, you may give a tempering with shallots and curry leaves. But if you had sauteed like how I did, you may off the flame and the curry is ready to serve. Then I woke Rihan and Arman as they were sleeping for quite some time. After brushing their teeth, I straightaway asked them to have a shower just to get a fresh start for the day. Then later we had our breakfast together. Soon after breakfast, our interior designer had asked us to come over to the construction site just for some discussions over the designs. So, me, kids, along with my father in law, got over to the site. That's our house, not complete yet. Hopefully, it'll be complete maybe in a week or two. Lots of work yet to be completed. Since the previous night itself we knew that we had to go to the site, I thought I would vlog to just give a sneak peek into what's happening there. After a while, my father and my little niece had come over. He is the contractor, Mr. Jalil. The man in white shirt is our designer, Mr. Faris. Once our houseworks are all complete, we shall upload a video on the house tour hopefully and shall give you all the details about it. So do wait for that video. This is just a glimpse alone, that's why not showing the whole house as you won't get an idea even if I try to explain what's what and where's what. On this day, it was slightly drizzling, so most of the workers couldn't complete the work on time. Many works were pending. My kids were told that we'll be shifting to a new home, but they were in fact shocked and surprised how to shift to an incomplete home, so they weren't much excited on seeing the house. Rihan was going over with my father at that time and he would be back evening time. And my father and they left. Then me, Arman and father-in-law we went back home. Lunch was almost ready, only a side dish with string beans had to be made. We call this mohri curry made by Shabna, fish curry by mom. Then this is fish fry. And it was heavily raining outside. Then we had lunch together. Evening time, it was time for kids to come back from school. On the way back, father bought egg puffs to have along with tea. I love to have plantain and black tea, so I had that first and then half a puffs. Rihan was back home, dropped by my father. For dinner, almost everything was left over from lunch, so we didn't prepare much. Only fish had to be fried. Rice and curry was enough for dinner. And that's for today's video. Hope you liked it. I know it has gone short. Shall come up with vlogs again and shall try adding recipes if possible. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.